Another Supra in the shop today, guys, but something special is going in this time. Check it out. These are factory G82 M4 carbon bucket seats that cost around 12,000 bucks. This isn't gonna be as straight up as a lot of people think, because the BMW seats do fit into Supras. As we all know, Supras are just BMWs with the different badging on them. So these G82 carbon fiber bucket seats, the owner bought them from Facebook Marketplace. It's not going to be just straightforward like a normal install, because not only are we adapting it into the Supra, there's some damage, a little bit of damage from the person he bought the seats from. So we're gonna have to fix the rails, see how much they're bent, get all the wiring and everything figured out for these. All right guys, so I don't have to explain how cool the G82 carbon bucket seats are, but what I do want to check is if they're that much lighter or not. Oh wow.
It's way lighter.
It's actually heavier, dude.
No, it's not.
I swear.
You're capping respectfully, dog.
I would get the scale.
That's crazy, actually. That.
Oh, it's overweight. Wait.
Well, there's no way the seats weigh more than 100 pounds each.
So, the stock Supra seat weighs 33.8 pounds. Moment of truth. $46. That's crazy. So they're almost 10 pounds heavier than the stock seat, which is good to know, because we've always thought, hey, the carbon seats are lighter. For 10 pounds, what you do get, obviously, you get an amazing looking seat. Nothing to compare to besides maybe a GT3 RS carbon bucket seat. But anyway, one thing I do love about the carbon bucket seats is that you do get the holes for if you want to run a harness. The one downside is you can only run a 4-point, because BMW didn't design the carbon bucket seat with the hole in the middle for a 6-point or a 5-point harness. But it's still better than having a stock seat that you can't even use a harness with.
Well, and in addition, you get adjustable bolsters, which in the seats you don't. So.
Yeah, and then obviously these will hold you a lot better. So with all those things considered, would you guys upgrade to these seats? Is the pros and cons? Comment down below.
For the bolsters to adjust, usually you actually have to do coding for this and for all of this to function. So as far as like the functionality of the seat, it's plug and play, but you do get a restraint system malfunction, so that will have to code out and delete, but I mean it takes like 15 minutes.
Oh. All right guys, so anyway, the seats are in, and surprisingly, we thought there was going to be more coating needed, but there's literally, at least for the functionality of the seats, the sliding, the up and down, the reclining, and then even the side bolsters work on this car. So what I theorize is happening is that, obviously, I think all the base Supras have side bolsters, and if the car's optioned with the right kind of seats and the matching functionality of the carbon bucket seats from the M4, then there's not going to be any custom coating required. Now, caveat to all that is there is still a seat restraint code, but that happens anytime you have the battery plugged in and you undo your seat wiring harness. So hopefully we're not going to need the coder to go in here. Hopefully our Autel will just be able to clear the codes, but yeah, check it out. Look at this. Forward, back, up, side to side. I'm just kidding. Recline, forward. Where's the bolster button? I forgot. I've never used the bolster button. Yeah. Nice and tight like. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, we cleared the code. It's just a quick restraint malfunction code that needs to get cleared. Surprisingly, a lot easier of a mod to do. So not much coding required to get the actual functionality of the seat to work. So now, yeah, I mean, there's not much more to do on this car. It's got BBSs, the full Agile kit, and now it has G82 M4 carbon buckets in it. If you guys want something like this or have any questions, hit us up at Studio RSR. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.